day to all. There was a problem with the countertop. 2 chips appeared. The chips are very large and must be urgently removed, as they spoil the interior. We need furniture wax. I ordered birch-colored wax from an online store. The choice of color was optimal, but still the color is slightly different. I also prepared nail polish. For stripping, we need more sandpaper, as well as a soldering iron. Before starting the restoration, wipe the table with a dry cloth. Dry it with a hair dryer. The next step is to take a soldering iron, wax, and solder the wax. Wax must be hard. Soft wax will peel off quickly. We take a match and rub liquid wax. When the wax hardens, we clean this place with sandpaper. Sandpaper is used for fine sanding P80 and above. After stripping, nail polish can be applied for bond strength and accurate color. If the color does not match, you can mix 2 varnishes. For example, white with pearl scent color. We are waiting for the varnish to dry. We apply wax to the second hole, as well as apply to the first. Rub the wax with a match. After drying, clean with sandpaper. The tabletop is smooth after polishing. We apply nail polish. We are waiting for drying. We apply pearl scent varnish. For strength, you can apply a colorless varnish. We clean this place with sandpaper. Now the chips are not visible. We rub the restoration place with a towel, and after 24 hours you can already use the table. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes and subscribe to the channel.